If you know about Cosmos DeFi, then you know about Kava. It's one of the first Cosmos ecosystem DeFi blockchains and also one of the first EVM compatible blockchains that allows traders to bring their Ethereum assets over to the Cosmos. And on the platform, you can stake, you can liquid stake, you can lend your tokens to the platform to generate additional yield and mint stablecoins and lend those stablecoins back to the platform and swap. There's all sorts of good stuff that you can do. It's also the home to native USDT. So whenever you're swapping into or out of Tether anywhere in the Cosmos ecosystem, know that it made its way into the Cosmos through the Kava blockchain. And the Kava token secures the network and allows those who stake that token to generate some additional yield on their portfolio. So today we are going to show you how to stake Kava tokens using the Trust Wallet mobile app. We are Atlas Staking, and we run infrastructure for and validate quite a few different blockchains, and you can learn more about us at atlas-staking.com. We're actually one of the original validators for the Kava ecosystem, and what you're seeing right here is our validator page on MintScan. This Trust Wallet staking tutorial is also available on our blog, so if you want to go through written instructions with photos, we'll leave a link to the tutorial down below. If you haven't already downloaded the Trust Wallet mobile app, be sure to do so from their official website, which is trustwallet.com. And right there on the mobile website, you can see the icon for downloading their mobile app, and then it will link you over to the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Always go to financial and wallet apps via the official website. Never just search for a crypto wallet by just typing the name into the App Store, because scammers can get their fake wallets into the App Store, and you will not be reimbursed by Google or Apple if you get scammed and have your wallet drained. So let's get going. Open up your Trust Wallet mobile app, and from your main wallet page, tap into your Kava position. Then tap the icon that says Start Earning. On the following screen, tap the button that says Stake. The next screen is the validator selection box, and wallet providers are slick. You'll see that Trust Nodes is the first validator on the list, and many people don't even realize that you can select your validator and they just simply go with the Trust Wallet validator because they don't even know that they have options, or they just assume that it's safer to stake with the Trust Wallet validator, and it's just flat out not. And as a matter of fact, sometimes the wallet provider validators lag behind the professional validators when it comes to upgrading during, network upgrades and forks and those kinds of things. And so we always encourage everyone to stake in the lower half of the active set, which helps any network decentralize. And that decentralized strength can actually translate into higher token prices. And so if you care about the value of your token, it makes good sense to help the network get stronger by staking with some smaller validators. Tap the arrow to the right of Trust Nodes, and the validator selection box will pop up. Scroll down the list to find Atlas Staking, and then tap on our name and logo. On the following screen, enter the number of Kava tokens you would like to stake, and then tap Continue. On the next screen, tap Confirm, and your transaction is in the works. Within a couple of seconds, the transaction confirmation box will pop up, and you did it. Your Kava is staked with us. Thank you so much for staking with us. And you now have two options. You can tap the button that says Transaction Details, or you can simply tap the X in the top right-hand corner of the transaction box, and that will take you back into your Kava position, where you'll see right there under Native Staking in the center of the screen that your Kava tokens are staked. It's a good idea to keep track of your crypto transactions, not only so you can go back and find something when you need to, but depending on the country you live in, you'll owe income taxes on your staking rewards. In the United States, staking rewards are taxed like stock dividends, and so you'll need to declare those and pay taxes on that portfolio income. And we tested several tax platforms, and Coinly for crypto is our favorite. Not only are they adding support for blockchains quickly and consistently, they already have support for Kava. And so you can simply click a button that says sync, and it will pull all of the transactions in from your blockchain and label them correctly. And what we really like about Coinly is that you can use it free of charge until you decide to generate a report for taxes. And we'll put a discount link down below. But you can use the platform and see whether or not it works for you, and then decide later on down the road, or maybe at the end of the year, whether or not you want to generate a report for taxes. But anyway, it's a really great platform, and so we wanted to share it with you. Now you see just how simple it is to stake Kava tokens using the Trust Wallet mobile app. If you are seeing this video on social media and you got something out of it, please smash that like or thumbs up button, which will cue the algorithm to show this video to more people that might be able to help. Certainly subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, or follow us on X, and feel free to share this video with anyone you think it might help. Thank you so much.